In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Lovable project to Remix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting point on Lovable, open it, and use the Remix feature to spin up a copy you can customize and share with others. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. You'll land on the home page, where Lovable highlights popular starters and projects. Think of Lovable as a place to jumpstart full projects from polished templates and then make them your own with just a few clicks. Next, look for the Templates section in the site's navigation. Click Templates to head into the library. This is where everything is organized for easy discovery, and it's the best way to find a project that fits what you need. From there, choose Browse All. This gives you the full collection instead of a small selection. Take a moment to scan the categories, thumbnails, and descriptions. If you have a specific use case in mind, like a landing page, a dashboard, or a full stack app, use what you see on the cards to gauge how close each template is to your goal. It's helpful to think about the features you will want to remix later, such as authentication, styling, or integrations. When you see something promising, select a template. Clicking it opens the template's dedicated page. Here, you can usually review details like the tech stack, a quick overview, and sometimes a preview. This is a good time to confirm that the structure and components align with what you plan to build. If you're planning to collaborate, consider how easily teammates will understand the layout once you remix it. With the template open, click the Remix button. Remixing creates your own copy of the project so you can edit freely without affecting the original. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm a project name or where to place the project in your workspace. Keep names descriptive so you can find the project easily later. After you confirm, Lovable will prepare your remix project and take you to your workspace or dashboard view. That's all it takes. You've gone from exploring templates to creating a remix that's ready for customization. From here, you can iterate quickly, invite collaborators if your workspace supports it, and share your progress or final result with your team or audience. If you ever want to repeat the process, just return to Templates, browse all, and remix another starting point. It's a fast, reliable way to launch projects that are easy to adapt and share.